This is going to be a video tutorial on how to allow or deny sharing and reuse on the Instagram app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Instagram app. To allow or deny sharing and reuse, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then in the upper right hand corner, you want to tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu. Then you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the How Others Can Interact With You section, and in that section right here is Sharing and Reuse. Tap on Sharing and Reuse. Then the very top thing, you got a lot of different options on here, but the very top thing is allow people to share your stories. If this is toggled on, people can share your stories. Down below that is Stories to Stories. It gives you 3 different options. Everybody can share stories to stories. The middle one is followers you follow back, or the bottom one is you can turn that off. Down below that, allow people to share your posts and reels. By default, it's probably toggled on. Posts and reels to stories is toggled on for me. Repost on posts and reels, you can toggle them on or off. And down below that is allow people to create and reuse your content. Do you want people to create and reuse your posts? Do you want people to create and reuse your reels? You can toggle them on or off. And down below that, you have even more options. Allow people to create and reuse your original audio with Meta AI. You can toggle that on and off for reels. Down below that, allow people to share externally. Downloads, you can toggle that on or off. And down below that is website embeds. Do you want to allow that? And down below that is featured content requests. But that is how to allow or deny sharing and reuse on Instagram. Thanks for watching.